All right, welcome everyone. This is the chip call for chip number 9, which was proposed by NamesDAO, RightSexyOrc. We're going to be talking through the chip briefly here, and then I think we're going to get into a quick demo since there's already a working implementation out there in the real world implemented by NamesDAO. So real quick, this is basically a chip that is trying to provide a method for an NFT to indicate basically a resolving name to a Chia blockchain address, and with a way for that to actually expire. So kind of in one sense, almost like a name resolution service for addresses. With that, I'm going to hand it off to RightSexyOrc to give us kind of the walkthrough.
Thank you, Eric. Hello. I am RightSexyOrc, and you can call me Orc for short. I'm a co-founder of the Time Machine time locking dApp and the NamesDAO.xch name service. I'm also the founder of Orc Nation, a group of independent Chia developers. Today I will present the Chia Improvement Proposal number 9, Name Service Wallet Address Resolution, which has draft status. This chip will set a standard for an NFT to resolve a name to a Chia address. The chip is in the informational category and the guideline subcategory. As such, it is not a requirement to implement this chip, and the chip also does not make any changes to the Chia protocol. The spec is rather straightforward. A wallet address resolving name on the Chia blockchain is a NFT OneCoin minted using the name services DID. We index NFTs minted with the name services DID. We examine the second to last metadata URI, and extract the name and expiry block from it. Let's take a look at an example. Here we see a NamesDAO.xch NFTs info. Looking at the second to last metadata URI, we can toss off the final .json and pull the characters after the last slash. We see NamesDAO space followed by a dash and an integer number. On the part before the dash we perform a URL decode, which in this case leaves it the same, NamesDAO space. This is the name. The number after the hyphen is the block number until which the name is valid on the Chia blockchain. The remaining detail is the address, which is the owner of the NFT, per the NFT1 spec. We can also note the NFT coin ID. Now that we know how to resolve the name, Let's see it in action. There we saw wallet address resolution used to do three things. Transfer tokens, XCH and NFTs. Plus we also interacted with a blockchain application. We spoke about resolution from the blockchain directly. Now let's talk about the use of potential secondary resolution services. Any blockchain explorer can provide a fast lookup service. Indeed, anyone can create such a service and offer it to the community.
An exemption for a certain level of publishers. The first time around is, oh, you're going to screw over independent.
Yeah, if you keep yourself on mute, please, it'd be awesome. We're in the middle of the presentation.
While few worry about man-in-the-middle attacks when speaking to SpaceScan or DEXI APIs, it is a very valid preoccupation. To assuage this concern, a secondary resolver could elect to offer signature files for the name lookup files, signed with the resolver's PGP key. This is applicable for a light wallet. Let's look at an example.
From the spec, don't we need to remove the .json? Okay.
Here's a JSON file. Wish lots of details we can use to confirm the address. And in the secondary resolver we offer for namesDAO, we also offer a .sig file that is a signature for this file. In the case of a heavy wallet with a full node, the lookup file can include a special detail. The beautiful aspect of the NFT coin ID is that one can use it to jump into and peruse the coin details verified by the full node. And if the coin should dare to already be spent, then one can lightly frolic along the remaining singleton path until one finally comes to the last coin of the singleton. This spec has been tested in production on the Chia mainnet for 3 months without problems. It has been integrated into one wallet, and also integrated into a library used by multiple wallets. Chia crypto utils. Further, it has been used successfully in a multifaceted dApp using the new CHIP-2 protocol for much of that time, working with the Gobi wallet. We welcome any questions regarding this chip in the Keybase channel or directly
Oh, I think the audio cut off. Orc, it looks like you went on mute before the audio was done playing.
Sorry about that. We welcome any questions about this chip in the Chips channel on Keybase. As well as on GitHub and through Twitter and Discord. Thank you for joining us.
Awesome. So thank you, Orc, for the presentation. That was awesome. Looks like we got one question from Caleb here. Does the registration ever expire? I should be able to.
There is a field for expiry which is optional.
Perfect. All right. So if you are viewing this recording, this is where we're going to cut it off. Thank you all for coming, and hope to see you on the next chip call.